Hey guys, so 8849 has announced the 8849 Tank 3 Pro. The Tank 3 Pro is very similar to the Unihertz Tank 3, but I think the major difference between the Tank 3 Pro and the Tank 3 is the fact that the Tank 3 Pro feature a laser projector just like the Tank 2, while the Tank 3 feature a laser rangefinder. Anyway, let's explore the top features and specs of the Tank 3 Pro. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the Tank 3 Pro has a 6.79-inch IPS LCD display with a full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. At the back of the phone is a camera module that contains quad cameras and a flash. The cameras consist of a 200MP primary sensor. It is the S5K HP3 or the Samsung ISOCELL HP3. There's also a 64MP night vision camera with autofocus support, and the device also has a 50MP ultra wide angle lens and an 8MP telephoto lens, while the front facing camera is 50MP. The phone, just like the Tank 3, is powered by the Dimensity 8200, paired with up to 16GB RAM and 512GB internal storage, which is very impressive. The device also packs a 23,800 mAh battery, and the device supports 120 watts fast charging. It ships with the Android 13, and I think it's going to get the Android 14 update, but that is not confirmed. Other features includes Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 5, it supports radio, and it supports NFC. The device is also rated IP68 and IP69K, meaning it is resistant to water and dust, and it's also resistant to high pressure water jets. The device is also military grade standard 810H certified, which means the durability of the device has been tested in different environmental conditions. Also, the phone features IR blaster. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is very nice. It has a side mounted fingerprint sensor and a 1020 flat vibration motor. The focus range of the laser projector is up to 3 meters, and it has a resolution of 480 by 854 pixels and 100 lumens brightness. Also at the back of the phone is a camping light with red and blue warning light and a 3-way circuit control. And finally, it has 2 customizable keys. So these are some of the top features of the Unihertz Tank 3 Pro. I'll make sure to compare the Tank 3 Pro with the Tank 3 to be able to point out the differences and similarities between both devices. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications if you don't want to miss it. Anyway, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.